thought you were trying to take a selfie. I was like, we can stop.
We'll take a selfie as well. How are you?
Hot, but good. There's a breeze, so I'm alive.
Yeah.
How are you?
I'm great. We have our stroller here. We're not showing our baby though. She likes her privacy. She controls everything.
She really does though.
Yeah.
You like my pants?
Those are nice pants.
But you can tell they have something going on. Oh, hi.
Hi, Doug. Did you know at this pond there's like at least 1,500 pieces of trash in it?
Oh yeah, and what's our favorite piece so far that we found?
Those like plastic bottles.
No, I mean the inappropriate one.
Oh, there was underwear.
Yeah, we'll show you guys.
Yeah, we'll show you. We have to make a loop around.
Pretty.
Honestly, that looked like it was a snake at first.
Oh yeah.
Just at first glance, you're like, snake. Oh, it's a twig.
It's something I would do. Ew. They have the s'mores blizzard.
Give me just a moment. You want s'mores? What size? Small?
S'mores blizzard.
Okay, we're good. Can we get 2 small s'mores blizzards? And that's everything. Alright, thank you. Dog, I can't see past your truck, so you go first.
Thanks a lot.
Jerk.
Hi.
What's up?
We're almost home.
Yeah, we got s'mores blizzards. S'mores blizzards, or s'mores, is like the candy corn of the summer, which is funny because it's April, but it's like 85 degrees outside right now.
It's 82. It feels like it's like 88.
That's what happens when you live in Maryland.
Yeah.
There is no spring or fall time. It's hottest or coldest.
Whoa. That escalated quickly. But yeah, it's just so humid here. That's what ruins it for me. But that park and ice cream place is super close to our house, so we're rushing home to eat this before it melts and get our baby inside because it's so hot. So we're on week 2 of our maternity / paternity / not really leave. We're taking it even though we don't get it.
When you work in the medical field, the public service field, mental health field, there's no such thing as getting maternity leave, because you basically just have to use what time you do have, paid time you do have off for it.
I also think that's just on living in the United States of America.
That's true.
This time has gone by so fast.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
Hi, sweetie. Yeah, and we were just talking about that. And I had said to Kelly, this is the end of week 2, and she was like, no, it's not.
I literally thought it'd been 1 week, so
It's been 2 weeks.
Hard.
Yeah. Hey, you haven't tried your thing yet.
No, because I have to see when the last time is that we fed her.
Oh, okay. Everyone can see the top of her head. That's about it. But we do have a baby.
Yep.
In case you didn't believe us. Review for the blizzard, go.
Okay. This is so much even better than I remember.
It is really good.
The crunch. I don't even really like marshmallow, but the marshmallow flavor is so good. Delicious. Get it.
Go get it now.
Get it while you can.
I was going to say, they like run out pretty quickly, or they end it really early. Yeah, I don't know. There's our baby's head again. And the doggies over there. Tell everyone thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching, and please rate my pants.
Rate your pants. 10 out of 10. Bye.